Hi, in today's video we are going to be folding children's dress pants using Marie Kondo's Konmari method. I'm going to show you two ways. The traditional way with an extra fold in it. The other would be where the creases are running along the front so that they look freshly ironed. So with Konmari folding, we start out the same way we normally would. Fold it over once, but you will notice that we smooth it at each fold, and this helps it retain its shape, and we can fold it down a lot smaller. The first change you will notice is that we fold in that crotch area. Change number 2 is to fold the ankle cuff to just below the waistband. Since it's an elastic waistband, we don't want to add extra bulk. Change number 3 is that we're going to be folding into thirds instead of half here. And now we have our Konmari folded dress pants. They stand up on their own, and they will stay in the drawer nice and tidy and neat. And they will stay wrinkle-free if you don't overload the drawer. Option number 2 is to fold it to make it look like it was just ironed. We grab the front of each leg and we make it into like the pleat would be if we were to iron it. And then we lay it flat and smoothing, and then we create the similar line to the front in each leg at the back. Next we are going to be folding the pant leg to just below the waistband so that we don't have that extra bulk again. And smoothing, of course. And then we are going to be folding it into thirds so that it is the right shape, height, width, all of that to fit in your drawer or on your shelf, and so that you don't have to be putting other items on top of it so that it won't wrinkle and you don't have to iron it. This works for all of the adjustable waistbands, and it's easy to just pick up the item and look at the size. It's easy to see firsthand which item you have in the drawer so that you're not searching through all the other items in the drawer looking for the one you want. Makes it easy to find, easy to use, easy to store, and it makes life a lot easier for you and your children every day.